Okay, let's go over homework 3.5, number 8. Alright, so let's take the derivative. Alright, so you have, we want to find the dy over dx. Right? So derivative of arctangent is 1 over 1 plus x squared. But instead we have that guy, so we have to put the square root of 1 minus x over 1 plus x squared, right? Then you have to do a chain rule, multiply by derivative of the inside function, this guy right here, right? So 1/2 power, so square root, so it's a 1/2 in front. Keep the same quantity, so it's going to be 1 minus x over x plus 1 plus x to the negative 1/2 power. Then multiply by derivative of inside, so we have to use a quotient rule there. So it's going to give you denominator squared, so it's going to be 1 plus x squared, right? Then derivative of the top is negative 1 times the bottom, which is 1 plus x, minus top 1 minus x times derivative of the bottom is 1. Right? So you have a negative x minus plus x. So you can see that the x's are cancel out. And then you have a negative 1 minus 1. So you actually have negative 2 on top. Right? Alright, then you try to simplify as much as possible. So there's a 2 right here, and there's going to be 2 here, so cancel out. So it's going to be negative 1 on top, right? And another thing we can do is a square root and a square cancel out, right? Alright, it's a little messy, but I'm trying to simplify as much as we can, alright? So here's what we do. I'm going to borrow one of these 1 plus x. So multiply 1 plus x. So I use one of them to turn this guy into 1 plus x plus, right? So this guy times 1 plus x on the bottom cancel out. You're going to have 1 minus x, right? So I took care of this guy and took care of that guy along with one of these 1 plus x, right? Then let's see, so you have negative 1 on top, so I'm going to put negative 1 on top, so that takes care of this guy, right? So, and also that guy. All right, then what you have left is going to be, so on top, you're going to have, let's see, so you're going to have square root of, so this is a reciprocal, so I'm going to put the square root of 1 plus x on top. So it's a square root of 1 plus x on top, right? Then square root of 1 minus x on the bottom. Right, so we have that. Then you have, we still have another 1 plus x. Right, then maybe 1 here, right? Then we can cancel out, so you can cancel this one. So this is 1 plus x to the 1/2 power. So there's going to be, it's going to be, let's see, the 1/2 power left, right? Then you have x here and negative x here cancel out. So you basically get, let's see, negative 1 on top. Right, then you have 1 plus 1 is 2. Right? Then you have a square root of 1 minus x. Then you have this is square root of 1 plus x. Combine them together. Square root of, and put 1 square root. Right? 1 minus x times 1 plus x is 1 minus x squared. right? So that's the derivative that you're looking for. And you can see that we got the right answer. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.